How does it feel to almost whoop two motherfuckers' ass?
Well, basically, this is Jerry Lee Lewis, and me and old Elvis been rivals all these years. And even though I married and screwed my 13-year-old cousin, and I'm like in my late 35 and 40s, even though I married her and they kicked us out of England, I told England kissed my ass. But basically, I had to run Elvis off because we've always been rivals. He's always been jealous of me because I'm better than him. But the thing about it is, he wanted to bow up and want to put that finger and put that snarl, that smile, that little snarl on his lip. I said, Elvis, don't raise your lip. Jerry Lee Lewis, he'll whoop your ass. Because I told England, kiss my ass. And Jerry Lee Lewis, but what he says he does, and Elvis, he can kiss my ass just like England. And basically, I didn't want to have to kill Elvis the second time because he's already died. And he died in the bathroom taking his shit because he's addicted on drugs and had a heart attack. But, hey, ain't very many people die on the toilet, but I basically didn't want to make old Elvis look bad, but he won't bow up at me. Hey, you can be a live man bow up at me, but now Elvis, you're a dead man. You gonna bow up at me? Who left and who stayed? Jerry Lee, he stayed. Elvis and his little old crony and his little old bitch boy, he left. So, you see who's here? It's Jerry Lee. Jerry Lee Lewis. And England can kiss my ass.
And cut.